Hi, this lesson is about carrying over even bigger numbers than we did before. So remember last time we went up to 99. Now we will go beyond 99 into the hundreds. So let's do an example. So the method is exactly the same as we did before, except now instead of just carrying over tens, we can even carry over hundreds, and then I'll show later how we can even carry over thousands. So let's do the hundreds first. So let's say, for example, I had a number 126. Remember, we're going to line up the units and the tens and the hundreds to do this properly. So we have 126, and we're going to add up 327. So it's exactly the same as we did before. We're going to add up the units first. So these are the units. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So we have 3, carry over 1. Now we're going to add up all the tens. That's over here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we put 5. We don't have anything to carry over for the hundreds, so we don't really need to write 0, but if we write it, it just becomes a little bit clearer. So we do 1 plus 3 is 4. So 126 plus 327 is 453. Let's do another example. Let's do 363 plus 174. Now this time we do the units first. We do 4 plus 3 or 3 plus 4 is 7. We have nothing to carry over. We have 6 plus 7 is 13. So we put the 3 of the 6 and 7 out of 30. We put 3 over here and carry over the hundreds. Now we take all the hundreds and add them all up, all the 100s. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 363 plus 174 is 537. We'll do 2 more examples of carrying over hundreds, and then we'll move on to the thousands. So now let's do another example. We'll do 179 plus 364. So 179 plus 364 is equal to. So now we add the units. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we put 3, carry over 1. 1 plus 7, now we add up the tens. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So we put 4 down here. So remember we have 14. So we take the unit part of it, we put that here under the tens. And now we carry over the 100. So we carry over 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 179 plus 364 is 543. We'll do one more example. So let's do 485 plus 226. Let's see what that is equal to. So, as before, we do the units first. 5 plus 6 is 11. We carry over 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11 again. So we put 1, we carry over the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 485 plus 226 is equal to 711. So here what we've done, notice we have added some more boxes to show the thousands. And I'll show you how to do that. It is exactly the same as we did for the hundreds, except we've got to keep carrying on doing that for the thousands. So let's do one example of that. Supposing 653 plus 961. So we add up, as before, we add up all the units. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. We add 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Carry over 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. So 653 plus 961 is equal to 1614. Now we do one more example and then I'll let you get on with the exercises. So let's say we have 1729 plus 3654. Let's see what happens when we add that over. So remember 9, we have to add the units first. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Carry over 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. We have nothing to carry over. So 7 plus 6 is 13. We carry over 1. So we put down 3, carry over 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. So that gives you 5,383. So we can carry on and keep doing bigger and bigger and bigger numbers once we've got this technique or this little trick called carryover. So good luck with the exercises and see you next time.